Hey guys, Mr. Oliver here. I want to teach you how to be an incredible tosser. It looks good, of course, it looks kind of pro, but that's not the reason for doing it. It's about everything that's inside that pan. You want to kind of give it equal love of flavour and heat, access to heat, right? That's why we do it. So the whole dish just improves in flavour and texture. So let me teach you the tips to being the most unbelievable tosser. First up, cold pan. It might seem weird, but trust me. And then just get a couple of handfuls of regular dried rice there. Hold it around here, just like you would a drumstick, okay? Secondly, use gravity to be your best friend. So just lean it like that. We don't want to be tossing flat. That's kind of hard. If you go down like that, gravity helps you and it flows the food down. Then a little flick back. So have a little look at this. Okay, so we're dipping down, we're using the curve of the pan, and that's why you really need a good pan for this. Thick bottom pan, so you've got even heat distribution, and you want a nice curved edge, so it's kind of giving you that nice little lick. So use gravity, flick it back. The great thing is, of course, is when you start cooking, you start being able to multitask, flip, 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 flip. So let's show you a few different things in tossing mode. Tomato sauce, in we go with some pasta. You can just agitate it like that. The other thing is like when you're thinking about putting things like Parmesan, you keep tossing and you get that perfect mix of ingredients. You can apply the same things to so many things, whether it's a risotto, whether you're doing a stir fry, whether you're kind of doing lovely little croutons in bacon over a salad. So there you go, guys. That is my 101 on how to be a massive tosser. Pass it on, spread the love, and between us, we can raise the bar of tossing around the world. Until next time, thank you very much.